Hey guys, in this quick video I am going to show you guys how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. So let's start video. First you need to log in our Instagram account. For example, select a post and click on three dot. Just click on archive just like this, and it now has archive our post. And to be able to unarchive, if you basically click on this three step and click on archive, and then click on the top and select post archive, and now our post right here. So if we click on it, we conserve our post again. So we need to click three dot again, click show on profile, and let's see, we can unarchive our post again. So this is basically it. See you next time. Have a good day.